We're here today to review the CamelBak 2-liter hydration bladder with the life straw filter attached. The first thing you'll do is use the quick disconnect like that, and then put that on the ground. And then you'll unscrew. There you go, and it's got a neat little tether to hold the cap there. And now you just scoop it. We're here at beautiful Grinnell Glacier in Montana. There you go. Screw it on. Reattach the quick disconnect. And then drink from the hose. Nice and fresh glacier water. What do you think?
Yeah.
Seems like it'll work really well, right? Okay, that's all we got, guys. Thank you.